Hi Beaters, and welcome back to my channel, Darisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And we're talking all about how to style the infamous Gucci socks that you guys love so much, that I talked about in another video, which of course will be linked above. But this first outfit is just a Zara outfit that I got on sale during the Zara sale. I paired them with some heels because of course you can always wear these socks with heels if you want to be a little edgier. I have my little mini pochette with it. And yeah, and then I have my necklace that I got from Amazon, which is like a Celine dupe. And yeah, that's outfit number one. And then on outfit number two, I literally just paired the same top, but this time I just paired it with a pair of jeans. These are my Coach loafers that are a dupe of the Gucci loafers, which I think are really cool and still affordable. I just, have the socks on there, as you can see, same little mini pochette. So it's basically the same look. I just pretty much kind of paired it a little differently this time, but just so you can see the versatility and how you can wear these. And we're on to the next outfit, and this is actually a little more casual. So that is another top that I got from Zara during the sale last year. And that's one of those tops that comes, you can wear it multiple different ways. I just, put it on this way for the sake of this video. But the same bag, as you could see, that bag goes with pretty much anything. I have on some Jordans this time with the sneakers, so you can kind of see just how the pink brings out the pink in the sneaker. These are like a Jordan 1. I forgot the designer. It's like a collab. And yeah, so if you want to just do a casual look but still kind of keep it cute, the Gucci socks work well for that as well. And yeah, I just have the same necklace on, my little Celine dupe from Amazon. And in this last look, I literally just put on a sweater, and then I have the jeans on that I just had in the last look. Same shoes. I literally just changed out the top. So as you could see, these socks pretty much go with, as long as you have the kind of color scheme going, you can do a lot with these. I didn't pull out the purse this time, but you guys get the drift. And as you can see, yeah, that is it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Real short video today, but I wanted to just share with you some ideas. Alrighty.